The world is beautiful because of the diverse life forms. But did you know that all these amazing creatures share a common origin? Welcome everyone to today's video on evolution, where we'll explore the fascinating journey of life on Earth. Evolution is a process of gradual change from one form of life to another through a series of intermediate forms. It changes the genetic material of a population over successive generations. These changes result in developing new traits that may help organisms adapt better to the environment. Let us try to understand this better by looking at the evolution of a horse. This magnificent horse that we recognize today was quite different many millions of years ago. In fact, it was a dog-sized creature called Eohippus. It had an arched back and 4 functional toes on each front foot and 3 on each hind foot. It had a padded feet and a small skull. This animal gradually evolved through various stages and eventually became the larger size Myohippus, which had 3 functional toes touching the ground on each foot. It evolved into the Merychippus, which also had 3 toes, but while the central toe was well developed, the side toes were rather small and did not touch the ground. It also increased its size to about 1 meter tall. Its feeding behavior also changed from browsing to grazing. Merychippus evolved into the modern horse with a single toe both in front foot and hind foot. It also had a larger brain and is about 1.3 meter tall. This evolution took place due to the changing environment. When the forest started shrinking and the grasslands started expanding, it evolved from walking on the padded feet in forest to running rapidly in the grassland. Its dentition also changed from teeth suitable for browsing on soft leafy vegetation in Eohippus to grazing on grasses in the modern horses. In order to satisfactorily explain the evolution in organisms, Charles Darwin and Alfred Wallace independently proposed the theory of natural selection. According to this theory, individuals within a species develop variations for a particular trait. That is to say, these individuals differ in color, then sizes, tolerance to heat, etc. In a population, the individuals always compete for the limiting resources such as food, water, shelter, etc. Individuals which have variation that give advantage in their environment are more likely to survive and pass the advantageous trait to the offsprings, while others with unfavorable variation perish. Over time, the population become better adapted to the environment. For instance, before Industrial Revolution, the pale moth were more common than a dark moth. The pale-colored moth had the advantage of hiding from the predators among the lichen-covered trees. The dark moth were easily spotted by the predators. However, the pollution caused by the industry darkened the trees and the building with the soot particles. Now it was much easier to spot the light moth as compared to the dark moth. The light moth now became vulnerable to the predators, and eventually dark moth became more common. Apart from the natural selection, genetic drift and mutation also contribute to the evolution. Genetic drift refers to random change in the frequency of allele in a population, while mutation refers to the sudden inheritable changes in the genetic material of an organism. We'll discuss this mechanism in another video. We'll wind up here for today, so thanks for watching.